tan xy equals to 7. Now, how do we find the derivative of this function? Listen and listen carefully. If you differentiate tan x, you're going to have cos x, right? Now, according to chain rule, if you have, let me quickly do something here. According to chain rule, if you have tan 2x plus 4, this function can be differentiated using the chain rule. The reason is because chain rule is used to differentiate a function that has another function in itself. You understand? And this is a typical example of a function A function that has another function in itself. The inner function is what? 2x plus 4. I'm just reminding you of what we learned in our previous class on chain rule. So, as to help you to understand what I'm going to do here. Okay? So, we have tan 2x plus 4. We want to differentiate this function. The first step is that I'm going to set u equals to the inner function, right? So I'm going to have u equals to 2x plus 4. Are you there? Okay, let y equals to tan 2x plus 4. So if I set u equals to 2x plus 4, that means y will be equals to tan u, because I have set u equals to the inner function. Now, differentiate u, we're going to have du dx equals to 2, and dy du equals to tan u will give us sec square u. So I'm going to have sec square u. So dy all over dx is equals to dy all over du multiplied by du all over dx. dy du is sec square u multiplied by du dx. du dx is 2. So I'm going to have 2 sec square u. Now, we call that u equals to what? 2x plus 4. So I'm going to have dy dx is equals to 2 sec square 2x plus 4. Okay, now let's go back to our question. You want to find the derivative of tan xy. The derivative of tan xy will be sec square xy multiplied by the derivative of xy. Don't worry, we're going to take it step by step, okay? Listen. The basic, you see, there is a way you can accelerate. If you don't want to show all these steps, you can do it this way. Tan u, if you are given a function y equals to tan u, and u is another function, if you are given a function that looks like this, the derivative of y is equals to sec square u multiplied by the derivative of u. You understand? Now let us check. Okay, sec square u. Let us check. The derivative of y is equals to sec square u. Sec square u is what? Since u is what? 2x plus 4. So I'm going to have sec squared 2x plus 4. Don't forget that u is the function inside the bracket. You understand? So sec squared 2x plus 4 multiplied by the derivative of u. If we differentiate 2x plus 4, we are going to have 2. So you can see that this is the easiest way if you don't want to show all these steps. So I'm going to have 2 sec squared 2x plus 4. Do you understand? So if you don't want to go this long way, maybe you were given this in an objective question, you don't have to show all these steps. Just know that if you differentiate tan u with respect to, if it is chain rule, you're going to have sec square u multiplied by the derivative of u, where u is the function inside the bracket, u is the inner function. Okay, so now let's go back to our question. We have tan xy equals to 7. How do we find the derivative of this implicitly? Let me erase this. I will still leave this so that we're going to understand what I want to do here. Tan xy will give me sec squared xy multiplied by the derivative of xy equals to 0. See, if you differentiate 7, you're going to have 0, okay? Just like what I did here. Derivative of y is equal to sec square u multiplied by the derivative of u. So if I differentiate sec square tan xy, I'm going to have sec square xy, because xy is now u. You understand? Xy is u. So if I differentiate tan xy, I'm going to have sec square xy, because u is regarded as the function inside the bracket, and the function inside the bracket now is xy. Okay, so that is why I have x sec square xy times xy, and the derivative of xy. Sorry. Now, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to differentiate xy separately. And I'm very sure you remember when we differentiate xy here, we have x dy dx plus y. Okay, so I'm going to have sec squared xy into bracket x multiplied by x dy dx, x dy over dx plus y equals to 0. You can see that I'm very do you understand what I did here? You see what I did? I just followed the same step. Okay, I just followed the same step. U is the function inside the bracket, and if you are differentiating a function, that has using chain rule, if you have tan u like a function like that look like this, y equals to tan u, you can easily take that derivative with respect to this formula, sec square u multiplied by u derivative, where u is the function inside the bracket. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, now let us open the bracket using sec square xy. I'm going to have sec square xy multiplied by x multiplied by x divided dx multiplied by x dy by dx plus sec square xy multiplied by y equals to 0. Okay, do you understand how I got here? Now, since we are done with this, I can erase it. So for this, I'm going to have, please pay attention, I can write this as this: x sec square xy dy over dx is equals to y. Okay, is it plus y sec square xy is equal to 0. Now, I'm going to take this y sec square xy to the other side of the equation, so I'm going to have x sec square xy dy over dx is equals to negative y sec square xy. You understand? Now, because the goals is to look for dy dx, so I'm going to divide both by x sec square xy, and this also divided by x sec square xy. Now, this will cancel this, so I'm left with what? Dy all over dx is equals to negative y sec square xy all over x sec square xy. Please pay attention. We can divide both sec square xy. This sec square xy can be divided by this sec square xy. So I'm going to have dy all over dx is equals to negative y over x, because this will cancel this. So I'm left with negative y over x. I'm very sure you understood what I did. So that is the solution to that question. If you come across this kind of question in exam, I'm very sure you will be able to solve it. Okay. Now, please pay attention. When you are dealing with maybe the derivative of trigonometric function, if you come across the type of question that are going to come across in objective is going to be a little bit tricky, but there is a direct answer to it. Such is what I did earlier on chain rule. You understand? The simplest formula is what I gave to you. Okay, so maybe you missed our class on derivative of trigonometric function. You can go to the channel and check. Okay, so that is the derivative. The derivative of tan xy is negative y over x. See,